All right, I've been just kind of sitting here for the last hour, shooting the sheet on a beautiful Friday here in Salt Lake City, Utah. April, the end of April, actually, going into May Day pretty soon. LiveGood is going on. Let's see, they started December 13th. So what is it? January, February, March, April. So they're 4 months. They're little babies. They're little toddlers and Pampers just peeing and pooping. And boy, they're kicking ass. We just had a Zoom meeting last night and this morning. Our numbers are about 40,000 people in America. That's it. That's hardly anybody. I mean, there's 50 states. Let's just say there's 1,000 people or 700 or 800 people in every state that even knows about this opportunity. But get this. There's 250,000 people in the company right now worldwide. Isn't it funny that 3 other countries are kicking our American ass right now? That's awesome. It never happens in this type of business. Especially when you're based out of Florida, it's usually like, okay, America, they've got downlines and people just shaking hands going, howdy, partner. And then all of a sudden Canada, and then maybe English-speaking countries like obviously you go over to London and then maybe it'll bleed over into Italy and Germany and France. But I'm talking Philippines, South Africa, India, man. India's got what, 7 trillion billion people, and they're kicking our ass. And that's exciting because this LiveGood experience is affordable. We're talking $10 a month membership. $100 a year, they give you $20 off even. So if, what's that, like $7 or $8 a month, that's it. $40, that's it to be an affiliate. Man, isn't that exciting? So if you're trying to make money at home, don't be crazy. Don't be passing this up. Every month it's getting bigger and bigger. The momentum is getting awesome. The power line is insane. And what that means is it's a live ticker tape. It shows everybody that is really signing up for real. This company, they disclose that. A lot of companies go, well, yeah, we're doing good. Well, how good? Because most companies like this, people sign up for a month or two and then they all just disappear because they have to buy product in order to qualify for certain things like bonuses and levels and stuff. This company doesn't require that. All the products we have are wholesale for people that want to kick ass and get strong and feel good. Has nothing to do with the affiliate side. I mean, it complements a little bit like salt and pepper, but the main ingredient has nothing to do with, you better go out and sell or you're not going to get any pie. And you're like, well, come on, Uncle Jesse, I just want some pie. No, you got to go sell steak and potatoes. And sure, that dinner is worth $10, but you got to go sell it to Aunt Matilda for 100. So yeah, old school MLM. Oh God, I had a guy from a huge MLM company just down the street from me call me, and he couldn't believe the money that can be made based on the power of $10 a month. I've had a few people that have pre-enrolled and joined that have been involved in other companies that have been really established, and they can't believe that they even looked at the old school ways of MLM. No offense to, I mean, Amway and Legal Shield and Avon. Those names come up every day as being outdated. And if you can do that, great. But it's pretty cool when you got other people that are in MLMs and they go, I've been wasting my time because I've been doing this for 6 months to a year to 4 years to 5 years. And I only got like 12 people signed up. I'm like, that's it? It's like, God, that took me about a week. So, you feel bad, like you don't want to brag, but all you got to do is just post things that are kind of interesting. That's the trick with LiveGood, is you just got to say, hey, here's an opportunity to watch something. Okay, bye. And if they watch the video, they make a decision to either buy something or they want to make money. And if they want to make money, you'll know, because in your back office of LiveGood, it'll say so. And all you do is what you do is you get the kind of the same messages. What I do is I make an email and I just change their first name. So it says, hey, this is this and this is that. And then I have another email that if they just pre-enrolled saying, hey, if you have any other questions, if you need some of this, that's all I do. And then if they go ahead and join, I got 2 different emails of 2 different programs that they can follow that might give them a good head start, like getting a domain name and where to place ads and how to place them. That and it's not that it's really ads, but you know what I mean? You just post on Instagram, you post on TikTok and YouTube, or or Facebook. All right. I've got one way. I'm not going to say what it is yet, but I just started doing this 2 days ago. And I was so anti AI. And now I'm like, hey, I like it. I get it now. Because I like to do stuff. I've been in radio forever, over a 35-year period, in and out of radio. I'm a guy that likes to actually play a record or play a CD and change it and stop it and play the commercials. I hate automation. I hate that. I can't stand that about rock radio or FM radio. But it's just the way of the future, isn't it? Well, it's not even the future. It's here already. I get it. I see why AI is absolutely unbelievable, because it's what you ask AI to do, which is unbelievable. And holy shit, I can't believe what AI can do based on a database. Just like Facebook and all these other great social media platforms, you just tell what you want, and then they go get it. And you're like, okay, well, now what do I do? Oh my. It's unbelievable. I'll tell you more about it. But if you're in my group, I'll tell you all about it, because if you make money, I make money, and my buddy Rob makes money, and we can all maybe meet one day and go sailing and have the best dinner with the sun tanning our kneecaps. So anyway, I'm glad you watched my video. It means you want to make a decision and change your life. LiveGood, it's one of a lot of opportunities out there. With this one, I think it's affordable. If you got $10 a month or $100 for the year and you got two $20 bills, come aboard. That's all. I don't need any more money. I'm not one of those guys that say, okay, upsell, upsell, upsell. This is all the other crap you need. There's only a few other things that I recommend you get. And believe me, when you see what they do, it's like you need to hammer something and you got to go buy an affordable hammer. That's how this company is. You don't need a bunch of psychotic, crazy, expensive stuff. I think the most you'll ever spend on extras is like $100 and something bucks, in my opinion. Everything else is just, you don't need it. I mean, if you need it, I guess I'd buy it and I'd tell you, I go, okay. And then I'd probably get an affiliate or something where I could make money off reselling something, but I'm not that guy. I'll tell you exactly what I think you need, and just like 40 other people will probably tell you the same thing. But anyway, in my opinion, if you do join my group or come aboard, if you got $150, let's get you going. And you're going to do a lot of video training where you can sit back, have a cup of coffee or whatever you drink, and you learn at your pace. Just go a little faster, because people are signing up every day, and over the next year, they got to sign up under someone. Why not you? Seriously. And then from there, there's only a couple other things that I'd recommend, and that's it. It's not very expensive at all. I would rather get money back in your pocket the first couple weeks. It's kind of like when you go gambling. You have $100, and then all of a sudden you win $100. And you're like, okay, well, I got $100 to play on all night. It's the house's money. And if you lose that 100, you don't care because you break even. That's how I look at this business. Let's just get whatever money. So if you, let's say, have $150 in, let's just get you $150 and rock and roll. And then you're like, this is pretty damn cool. Every week I get paid, Thursday night into Friday. And when I get up Friday, I keep forgetting to go to my bank. I do online banking. And it's funny to see deposits, because I forget that I even earned that. And when you earn money the way that this company's set up, it's funny. I'm just used to like doing something, promoting a voiceover, or doing, I do certain other jobs, but it is kind of fun when you get up and you get a paycheck and you forgot why for like 10 seconds ago. Oh yeah, they signed up, and oh, they bought product, and oh, okay, I remember now. So, all right, that's enough video. Hey, thanks for watching, seriously, and you're going to have fun. Please watchvideo.com. Name, email address, watch 6 minutes of video. Let's let you get aboard, and let's have some fun. All right, watch the next video. It's coming up right now.